Ashvega News, this is Kritika S. Bahati. Climate change is increasingly being recognized not only as an environmental crisis but also as a women's health concern. Medical researchers say rising global temperatures are creating serious risk for pregnancy and reproductive health. Extreme health exposure during pregnancy can increase the risk of preterm birth and miscarriages. Studies show that when temperatures rise above normal seasonal levels, pregnant women are more likely to experience heat-induced dehydration and hormonal stress, which can affect fetal development. Another emerging concern is fertility health. Long-term exposure to extreme heat can disrupt hormonal balance in the body and may reduce female fertility rates. Researchers say high heat stress can interfere with ovulation cycles and reproductive hormone regulation. Climate change is also linked to the nutritional stress. When droughts and crop failures reduce food availability, women often experience higher levels of iron and micronutrition deficiency. This deficiency can worsen maternal anemia, a condition that increases the risk of complications during childbirth. Another serious issue involves exposure to climate-related toxins. Floods and rising temperatures can spread pollutants and harmful chemicals into water sources. Health experts warn that pregnant women exposed to contaminated water face higher risk of developmental problems in infants. There is also growing evidence that climate disasters can disrupt maternal healthcare systems. When hospitals are damaged or transportation stops during floods or storms, many women lose access to prenatal care and safe childbirth facilities. Doctors say this increases the danger of untreated pregnancy complications. Researchers emphasize that climate policies must consider these gender-specific health risks because protecting the environment also means protecting maternal and reproductive health. This is Kritika S. Bahati for Ashvega News. Stay aware, protect women's health in changing climate and support climate action for safer future.